In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag everyone in a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Slack workspace. Once you're in, locate the specific channel where you want to make your announcement. This might be a channel like Hag General or any other team-specific channel where all relevant members are gathered. Simply click on that channel to enter it. Now that you're in the right place, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You should see a message text box where you can type your message. This is where the magic happens. To tag everyone in that channel, you will type @channel in the message box. This action will send a notification to every single member of that channel, whether they are online or offline at that moment. If you only want to notify those who are currently active, you can use @here instead. This is particularly useful for times when you don't want to disturb everyone, just those who are available and may see your message right away. So for instance, if you're asking a quick question and need an immediate response, @here could be the way to go. Once you've typed @channel or @here followed by your message text, you're almost done. Now all that's left to do is hit that enter key. When you press enter, your message will be sent out and everyone tagged will receive a notification. It's important to remember that using @channel can trigger alerts for every member attached to that channel. Given that this will notify everyone, it's best to use this feature sparingly. Reserve it mostly for urgent updates or important announcements that everyone needs to see. For example, if there are major changes in project scope, or if there's a meeting that all hands need to be at, using @channel is completely appropriate. It helps ensure that the message reaches everyone without them having to check the channel every time. So to recap, tagging everyone in a Slack channel is a simple but powerful way to communicate quickly and effectively. Start by navigating to the channel you want to target, type @channel or @here, add your message, and hit enter. Just remember to use this feature wisely so that it retains its effectiveness and members don't start tuning out those alerts. That's all for this session on how to tag everyone in a Slack channel. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll feel more confident using this feature the next time you need to contact your team. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for